The global pharmaceutical industry continues to evolve rapidly, driven by innovation, strategic collaborations, mergers and acquisitions, and the emerging markets. Let's explore how the different regions are shaping the future of the pharmaceutical industry. The global markets, which stand at a 1.6 trillion as of 2024, is dominated by the North America region as it remains the powerhouse of the pharmaceutical world. The region commands a solid 52.6% of the market as of 2024. This dominance is actually fueled by significant growth in the anti-obesity drug segment, alongside the much-awaited NASH drug, resmetirom, as well as certain existing life-saving drugs like Merck's Keytruda, which received an extended indication approval in the last year. The US alone witnessed the FDA approval of about 50 new therapies in 2024, addressing some of the most critical unmet medical needs, spanning rare diseases to certain pediatric cancers. Nevertheless, challenges persist, especially with the potential US tariffs on pharma imports threatening the supply chains, mainly those arising from the emerging markets. In Europe, growth continues despite stringent regulatory policies. There is a focus on sustainable biomanufacturing as well as rare disease therapy research, which has sparked initiatives like the Horizon Europe. With 7 out of 10 prescriptions being that of generics, the region's steady 5% growth through 2025 is supported by an access to biosimilars as well as local manufacturing initiatives. As we move towards Asia Pacific, the APAC region is rapidly becoming the epicenter of innovation, with China contributing to over 22% of the global drug development pipelines. India, on the other hand, leads in the pharmaceutical exports, while investments in local biotech are also soaring. In fact, by 2024, the private equity in Asia Pacific surpassed close to 20 billions, which paved a way for strong growth in biologics and cell therapy research. Now, as we move on to the lesser developed regions like LATAM and Caribbean region, it is led by Brazil, Mexico, Chile, Argentina, amongst the other areas, and it sees a continued reliance on generics as well. However, regulatory changes like Brazil's digital drug approval policy promises faster patient access and enhanced market growth. Finally, in the Middle East and Africa region, there is a rising healthcare spending and local manufacturing initiatives, which are majorly the drivers of the segment. Countries like Saudi Arabia, Turkey, they are also expanding their pharma markets while increasing investments in clinical research, and that in itself continues to support long-term growth. Finally, from North America to Asia Pacific to LATAM to Caribbean or to the Middle East, the pharmaceutical industry is transforming with leaps and bounds. With emerging therapies, new regulations, and shifting production landscapes, the future of pharmaceutical industry is full of opportunities. Stay tuned as we continue to track the evolving world of the pharmaceutical industry. Thank you.